small block Chevrolet, just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom ground hydraulic rollers, custom pistons. Got your 3-stroker covers on there for you. It's Holley EFI, Holley manifold, throttle body, Terminator X, really great system, very user friendly. Got the March serpentine belt setup up front. Made sure the alternator output for you and everything. Go in there and show you how to ram. Alrighty, down at 3,500, 425 foot-pounds of torque. The peak torque 468. Peak horsepower 507. We're at 520. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. Get her off here, get her a crate, come your way. Have a great day.